Ebusiafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusiafo yako NSM anyway. Ebusiafo, I never knew say I would live to see a day such as the one I'm experiencing these past few days. So let me explain. Over the past 8 years, NDC has been championing an agenda and they have been pushing a certain narrative and they say MPP only came to waste Ghanaians' time, MPP only came to steal money. And that has been the message. Even 2024, campaign messages are they mainly base it on the fact say NPP is stealing money. NPP must be shown the door because they have not done anything. Now, the very thing digitalization that the former vice president John Dr Bawumia championing NDC4 again sought to make it look say digitalization agenda no a waste of time. Again, they came to tell us say they voted for Bawumia to work on the economy. And we have the current president, Dr Mahama, His Excellency, come to tell us, say, we are talking about the economies to paid. You remember that statement? Right. Now, I never foresaw, say, a day will come, none other than His Excellency himself, John Dramani Mahama, will look Ghanaians in the face and tell Ghanaians, say, Bawumia did well with the Ghanacard. And today, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is telling Ghanaians, say, once you have a Ghanacard, that is your ticket to free primary health care. I never ever imagined it. I mean, way Anka Daibia, I will have woken up to pray because it's a horror movie. For real. Where the NDC full soldier be nekike debut Ogboro nankasa His Excellency himself. So what it means then is say all along na papa we no name no kre no. All along. And the history of Ghanacard started under John Ajekun Kufuor. That's when we wanted to do get or minor, okay, a standard identity, right? President Kufuor started, Atamils came. In fact, under Atamils, we need Kufuor when you start card now, do 10. I tell you, because there's a news item from the day Atamils of blessed memory receive any card. Okay, I said today he can truly say that he's a Ghanaian. And that's the only time we hear someone got the ID card. Me say, I applied under Mahama 1.0 and I was only given an A4 sheet. A4 sheet. Even His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, no, it was under Akufo-Addo abiding way that he got his Ghanacard. But we had the likes of Sam George and Co. telling people not to go and register for the Ghanacard. Ebra, Omwankasa, the Nicodemus way to register. Today, NDC, led by His Excellency himself, shamelessly praising Bawumia. Sir, Bawumia won't fast when yes, give time some time indeed. Give time some time indeed. And I now understand why the people, the wise ones say that vindication is in the womb of time. But this vindication, it has come so fast. So fast. Hey, if I were to be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I will sue Abayinwe. I will sue them for all the times that they drag my name and all those things. Because what these guys went to the extent of even they went to Google, right? Who said Google? Who call Wikipedia? No, you can easily insert your own information there. So they went to insert there that biggest liar in Ghana, and they wrote Dr. Bawumia. Then they started running an agenda. Or TV so say, Google crack up say one biggest liar in Ghana. They MPA Bawumia. Today, His Excellency Dr. Mahama is praising Bawumia. He's touting achievement of Bawumia. He's building his so-called free primary health care policy on an achievement of Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. I said, wait there, Mahama Angasa na campaign na my His Excellency Angasa on na campaign na Bawumia. 2028, fala my MPP. Those are the things that I love to hear. 2028. I'm saying, say, people thought, say, 2024 is going to be, is going to, for a very long time, the gap, no. But what the gap that is going to come 2028 election between NPP and NDC, you'll have said, I've told you. For, as you know, no, yeah, donations towards your studio, no, still lie, so, and Kitwa Bianswa, right? Thanks to all who have been donating so far. We are grateful for each and every peso that you spend on Ghana SMTV GH. We don't take it for granted. And what peso boy and so no, now best no never screen I say anything goes, anything. Kitwa Bianswa, right? And thank you so much for the thoughtfulness. And also, this kind of, you don't alert me on WhatsApp, so I don't know most of the time whom to go and thank. He just writes Museni Sky Yendamasi, because it's not everybody that can do that. I mean that would dig their money, their hands into your pocket and bless people, just say strangers with their money. So please don't feel free to alert me anytime you actually donate, so that we can give you the due recognition. Thank you.
77 period on TBPS, so no, that's our catch and no idea. The same panels no. Yani, I see a real fish on so toba. On that very day, about two or two, so I ever can to say US never can say, we would get or more took a can boom the infant count. I had the name now where they see a share electing on Guano. South on Bessie Musona, because me, my example, and I'm here, no baby. Yaba to about 2 cents before be job catches a dollar now cost no. Ye adens will be the brewa as a cost. No catching the pan of my body, so good do na sala to about your man. So many president or baby so. It didn't like a whole president person to about cassette. Digitalization win name Doconi Kinkin and win. Baby, you just said for no more Casano, or my Jimmy, or to about so the amano. To make any yes once a sign for no, your plans more on the same. I find that when you help me a message, I elect never you know. You don't want to count him because I want to vote in here. I want to be, and I can't hear you near. But I was saying to me, who's any man and Yamami and some of his problem. Any solution, Madam was me, now me TV.
Miss Medase, Uncle William Pacho, do so. Willie?
Is the divided about
Oh, there be me born try. Say me no more mobile we say. Willie kwa na waba Patrick, Miss Rewa.
Me Pacho, what time can?
Ya te won kan be me na.
Me Pacho, me dear ni say me jidi say MPP for bebre na to kwan abedru amanone. Me say me kasa for UK dear. Nenso no yewa opepa say abato ni bibia be course bia o ye krom no. Yes part of it. Yetimi so echa ya dwe wo hu bi. But enhihye be na Honorable Mr. Daniel obe ye chairman na anase organizer na enhihye be pa na obetimi dia boa ya ma ye so a ye tu kwan ye wo other countries no ye betima ye involve ewo ye elections no mu ebi mpacha me kwache se muda ho a
yeah muda ho
obetimi aya boa ye ama ye so yetimi ya kire ya adwen se ye so ye Oma bapa anase ye MPP amapa.
Yo
question no.
Yo Patrick son now we see no na so bi wo ho anu afa no Patrick
Honorable
Unya winnings, my friend commander, MPP muno, Obia, or organizer BIA commander, Bakupe. Maybe so may ba as constituency youth organizer, I have for no southwest constituency, Mancranso. Honorable Adaroma. Yeah, can be a mess, pa, ne say. We, sa nyamaya o plotty two, yes, say. Take it easily, pa, seriously. Say, ebe boyen, na ure ankofi. Ode mabunu ba be ye adwuma. Titru me, ode me be ye adwuma no. Ade a mitiri se me asem empo enkola gumi so se omu ye mwa omu. Na me fra obaako na abeka se onfa me call. Eno se odi nipa na ye adwuma awie na odi aboa nipa no wanya oba bia asi awie na odi aboa no na wo so uyi wani de eno de na anu obi di bia adi ebi mu eno ntama ye ne o konfo ye bre
MC mute yourself. MC me patcho mute
I've
you why?
mute myself. Ye ko grounds ye bre omuka se da bia MPP ma ye de omu ye adwuma ade a eha omu ne se bedru se obepe se bi adwuma ye clinic keke no ye se fa qualification ye de ebra kofa SSC kofa ho ni kofa we mesre meme de me constituency o na mo national no e den mo ya fa saade no se ye de emabunu be ya adwumaden na fe ye be wini ni e be ba power na ekoduru se ye wini awie na ye be pe ba bi do mo ahyehyehye no na fe ye se o de unko university unko training college we unye we unko pole eno e den na mo ya fa ho mra na mo ya mokoya amendment no efa constitution no eno den na mo ya fa ho na mpo pa e den na oba ya fa ho
Joe, the dash.
obo de ya adwuma ena me ba akọ etwa to ene se as constituency youth organizer hopeful na me ban me de ahye me mu se oboa me a ena me boa ho enti ma se honorable titles global minimum pa se minimum yi ebi ana me minimum na unhu ni ye ba minimum pa se minimum yi na me be fight
Entientie mo Patrick. Entientie.
me twa na me yede me be force aba me power awie na afere na be odi ade sebe to manim eno de ona bo adaroma mpa chew ene no atran nchen ni maba me da ase bye bye
Mesome das, I mean sure. Upon me patcho MC betu obi mesre wa e betu
Bacho
so why?
metimi abem
Me patcho betu obi nti owi a mesre. Upon
Honorable, mechia obi biara wo so bia nyame enka obi a nyame enhyira wo. Honorable nyame ema onyiri nche na de wo adwene mu nyinaa no. Omontoma na emrem. Me pacho me question a me bisa eye miensa. Honorable me pacho edie ntina mo se ye beto mo predibie se ya mo ba fom ne ye pe. Wo de mo sa tutu mfuturom ti se de ye nsa tutu futurom. Na se nyame ya wadom na yatoma mu wie a afe yenhu mu saa biem ya frema amomfa mudu okra no a wotika mu kra no a baba kra no eboyen eye baako de tosu mienu me pacho onabo me kwhye sa tosu no se atro ene eye a NDC fo no omutumi di eto MPP fo no eso ema no nyina ebam no me pacho oba edien na obetimi aye den aya afa ho ena me die twato a ende ha me papa me pese me bisa se obetimi nyame adom na se onyame de chance ne mawa obetimi aye bibi ene mpanifo aka mutira bu ma aye bibi afa ho a me pacho de me bisa ne se ekwan be na mbefa so a enkabo mu be ba party ne mu eno ne ma yi pa me question eno ne de di kan pa ema me kwan ben na mbafa so ne mo mpanyifo no maka bom na enka bom na wati no maka no ne saa ne ma nyina ebejai na party no ebefa ne ntoma pa afira be da se nyame nhira.
I think you asked the 3 questions, so that's all.
Okay. On pop. Okay. On pop. Spiral.
Okay, good evening. May I say, me have 2 questions.